Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. So today I'll be teaching you in how to make money on shrinkme.io. So I'm going to give you a quick overview about ShrinkMe, then I'm going to give you a practical example of how I would use it to make money. Now the thing is with URL shorteners, you need to send traffic to specific link and then they will pay you for getting the traffic to watch advertisements. So now just click on the payout rates at the top. You can see here you get a $1 sign up bonus. The minimum pay is $5. You can get paid via PayPal, Bitcoin Payer, Perfect Money Bank Transfer, and so on. Now scrolling down here, the best traffic that you can send is going to be from Greenland, Ireland, and US. And then it goes down from here. Now you can't really choose what traffic you're sending. You're going to be sending traffic from all over the world. So you're just going to have to take what you get really using this method I'm about to share with you. It's going to send mostly US traffic and but you can't always choose where your traffic comes from. But this is how much you're going to earn per 1,000 views. So if you send 1,000 views from US, you're going to earn $11. So basically this way is a great way to make some money, but you're not going to be able to make lots of money fast. So if you go to payment proof, you've got these people which are cashing out pretty much every day. It is a legit, it's one of the most popular URL short honors out there. So if you do want to make money with URL shorteners, I do recommend ShrinkMe. You just need to create a free account. Once you've created your free account and you're on the dashboard, you can go ahead and shorten links. So any link that you want to shorten, you want to paste it in here. I just shorten here YouTube. So I'm just going to write http www.youtube.com. So if you wanted to shorten YouTube and click shorten, it will then give me a shrink link. Now I can then send traffic to this link. It will then show them an advertisement and they will be redirected to my destination URL, which in this case happens to be YouTube. Now I have to be thinking here, how can we make money with these links? Now you have to get people click on your link. How do you get people to trust you and how do you get mass traffic towards your links? And I was thinking about this and I came up with a method which actually works and it creates passive income. Now if you go ahead and search on YouTube for how to create a Facebook account, how to create an X account or Twitter account. There are videos here explaining how to create a Twitter account with about maybe a 1,000 views. So these videos are getting views every single day without fail from people searching for keywords. So you can see here 1,000 views and people in the comments are saying like it's good. So if you try to create a helpful video, so there many people will going to watch that. And then if you create a video like this showing people how to do specific things and link in the description, now you can go ahead and link to Twitter. If you created this video, you could link to Twitter in the description. So instead of linking Twitter, just go ahead directly. You could link your Twitter or Facebook here. And if you shorten this link, you now have a shortened link which goes to Facebook or Twitter. You can create a simple video like this explaining how to create videos, something like this, how to create an account. And then basically say if you want to create Facebook account. So I'll leave a link to Facebook in the description or Twitter. So now doing this, you're going to get people who want to sign up for Twitter, clicking your links, and you're going to be actually helping them out by sending them to Twitter. Anyway, you don't have to just create videos about Facebook. You can create also videos about Twitter, YouTube, Gmail, anything that would be helpful to people or to the viewers. So we'll need to go, for example, I created a video about System.io. It is all about how to create a landing page in System.io. So basically, this is an example video. So when you try to imagine if this specific user or the user of this YouTube account, this video got a lot of views. Now, if you put the link of the System.io here in the comment section through ShrinkMe, then obviously the owner of this YouTube account would be, earning a lot of money. So my advice is you just have to create simple ones. Maybe you want to create how to make something like this and put the shortened links in the description of your video. So simple videos like this, you can record this using your mobile phone. either it is Android or iOS. And if you want to use your, PC or laptop, you can use the OBS Studio. And that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.